girls, it's part 2 of the video. Aiden is now going to start adding all of the dry ingredients, so go ahead, Aiden, we're going to need 2 of these, 2 1/2 of those. Okay, so just go ahead and start filling it, and we'll check it to make sure that it's, that's okay, honey. We'll check it to make sure that it's nice and level, that we have exactly what we need. It's just regular all-purpose flour. Don't use cake flour, and don't use any kind of, I don't use wheat flour, just all-purpose flour. And you kind of get messy when you bake, and that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can clean it up. As the kids all know, we spill ingredients on the floor, we get it all over the table, and we get it cleaned up, it's fine.
I'm sure that's why the dog is here.
I'm sure. She's just hoping.
Just like Gabriel, he was basically our vacuum. And if we spilled sweets, we didn't even have to worry about touching them.
No, because he just find it automatically?
Yeah.
Okay, we need a little bit more. Keep going. We're not at 1 yet. Let's just spread it out. Oh, I think we're good. We look nice and level?
Yep.
Okay, now we need another one.
Did you say like 2 1/2 or something?
Yeah, we need 2 1/2, honey, so you're going to be here for a bit. Unfortunately. But the end result will be yummy. So, Aiden, what have you been doing while you've been home these past few days?
Oh, not much.
No?
Laying low, huh?
Yeah, well, you had an exciting weekend.
The only part I didn't like was the hospital.
I imagine so. So did your school, because you go to a different school, I need a little bit more, did your school send home some activities for you to do?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Quite a bit of homework.
Okay, yeah, there we go. All right, that looks perfect. And now, I don't know if you can see, there's a little line right here. We're going to fill to this little line because that's the half scoop rather than turning another scoop. But you've been reading every day, right, Aiden?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy's making you read?
Oh, she doesn't make me read, I just read.
Good. What are you reading right now?
Just different books. I don't know. Like I started the Diary of Wimpy Kids series.
Oh!
I haven't read that really much yet.
No? And what about Harry Potter? Because you're wearing a Harry Potter shirt.
I always
Okay.
read that.
Which house are you?
I like Gryffindor most.
Okay, because apparently I'm a Hufflepuff because I can find everything.
What was that? How that
So the kids call me a Hufflepuff. So now, baking soda. Have you done baking soda before?
Mm-hmm.
You know that you scrape it against the top so it gets
Yep.
nice and flat. Okay, we need 1 teaspoon of that, Aiden. Nice, Peppa. Wow. She's here for comic relief. What do you want? That's good,
This?
honey. Yep.
Okay, pour this in?
Yep, pour it in. It calls for a teaspoon of salt. You have to go ahead and wash your hands. I don't typically use salt because I use salted butter, so I'm not going to put in a teaspoon of salt. So we're going to just blend this for a little bit. Mrs. Tischer can keep the video going because it's not going to blend for long, and then we'll put the best part in. Now the kids know when I'm at this point while it's doing its final blend, I usually go back through the recipe to make sure that I have put in everything. 2 1/2 cups of flour, baking soda, butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla, and the eggs. Okay, and then we're going to do the chips. Maybe. There we go. All right, just dumping the whole bag in, Aiden. Now you gotta wash your hands again. This is what the kids do even when we're not home on a break. They know if they touch their face, do anything, they've got to wash their hands again. Just nobody wants germs in their cookies.
I always wash my hands.
Yep. All right, so it should look like this when you're done making it. It shouldn't be a real loose dough. It should look just kind of like this.
Smells good.
You can smell the
scratch and snip screen.
I know. Oh, wow. And Mr. Gardner's going to come in and say hi real quick. Well, you are now. Say hi to my class, Mr.
Hi,
Gardner.
class. How are you?
He can smell the cookies. That's why he's coming up.
Oh, I'll have to come back when those are.
Yeah, I bet you will. Okay, Aiden, this next part is making the actual cookies themselves. Now, my kids know that I always use my trusty cookie scoop so they're always the same size. And to make these, you just push in some dough and flatten it against the side and just squeeze it out. Okay? So Aiden's gonna do this part. Okay, is this too tall for you, Aiden? Do you need like a chair to stand on?
Oh no, it's fine.
Okay, all right.
Don't like it too much.
Here, I'll show you. I'm gonna hold your hand.
Yeah.
We'll do it together. Okay, hold it like you would a regular anything, a pencil, and then you just scoop it. And then you just, you know, you gotta squeeze a couple times because it's not gonna just pop right out, okay? And then we're gonna pause while Aiden does all of this, and we'll do the putting in the oven and sampling in a bit. We'll see you in a bit.
Yeah.